What's up, Grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Are you lazy and really don't feel like doing anything? Don't feel like working to make money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 weird apps that pay real money for lazy people like yourself. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 weird apps that pay you real PayPal money for lazy people. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, I'm going to give away some free money. So please hit that like button and drop a comment down below. Tell me what country you're from. And also drop a question down in the comments if you have anything to ask about this video. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the 3 apps right now because I don't want to take too long on this video. Now, do me a favor, watch all the way through to the end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys, and I can talk about this special bonus anywhere within this video, and it can pop up at any time. So you need to watch all the way through, and also you need to watch all 3 apps that I'm talking about so you can find out what these apps are. And I want you to use all 3 of these apps so you can make as much money as you can. So watch all the way through and do not skip at all. Do not skip through the video at all. Watch it all the way through to the end. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you 3 weird apps that will pay you real PayPal money for lazy people. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the first app. So let's read here what it says about this app. We are focused on finding opportunities for everyday people to make money. We're the app that pays you real cash. We send our agents all over the United States to gather information, take photos, and share their opinions. Join over 1 million shoppers who have already joined. And it also says here, we already paid out over 20 million to our agents just like you. And it says try new products for free, give feedback on products and stores, express your opinions, influence how companies serve shoppers like you. And here how it works. Find a job, check often to find the right job for you. We offer audits, research, mystery shopping, products trials, and more. Completed. Once you reserved a job, completed in the time frame, and make sure to follow instructions carefully, then you get paid. Once approved, your money is ready for you to deposit in your account, save it, or spend it. Our agents have bought puppies, vacations, dance lessons, and more with their earnings. What will you buy? And here's some things you need to know. Location jobs generally pay between $3 and $20. Complete ticket jobs to qualify, paying jobs, and automatically enter a drawing to win a cash prize. Submissions must comply with all instructions and receive a cash payout. And let's see what else it says here. Jobs are usually first come, first served. The more often you check the app, the better your chances are of making money. All right, let's read what a review says here. It says here the rating for this app is 4.7 out of 5 stars. Let's see. Great app and system. I love the app. It's by far the most well managed and efficient process I've seen for this type of assignment work. But I gave it 3 stars because like some of the reviews before me had mentioned, they do not pay enough for this assignment. So I guess these people feel like they're not getting paid enough for each assignment that they do. But these are simple assignments, so the pay is probably not going to be real high, but the more assignments you do, the more money you can make. As I said earlier, you get paid from $3 to $20. So what if you get a lot of $20? All right, so you probably want to know what's the name of this app. The name of this app is Field Agent. So you're going to be doing tasks that's near you, and what you're going to do is you're going to get those tasks, choose what tasks you want to do, go do it. Might be taking a photo or sharing your opinion on that location that they want you to go to, and then you get paid cash. So again, name of this app is Field Agent. Now let me go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app, and this app right here allows you to connect your credit card, shop, dine, and book hotels, get cash back, withdraw with ease, get paid $5 to refer. So let's read down here, see what else it says about this app. Say get paid when you shop and dine at the places you visit every week, including Sam's Club, JCPenney's, Denny's, Forever 21, Pizza Hut, and much more. You can even get real cash back on your hotel booking for what you are. So what you're waiting for? Simply download the Dash app. So that's the name of this app, the Dash app. Securely connect your card and debit cards and live life as usual. Every time you use those cards, Dash searches for available offers. If it finds one, Dash automatically redeems the offer and reverts it into cold hard cash, then deposit it directly into your Dash wallet. So that's very unique, and this is a popular app. So also here you can, it says right here, shop and dine out, pay with your link card at thousands of stores and restaurants and get 10% cash back automatically to your Dash wallet. So you get 10% cash back. Then pay with your link card at thousands of hotels worldwide and get up to 40% cash back to your Dash wallet. So this pays out through PayPal, so you can cash out through PayPal once you get your cash back using this. And it's very secure to connect your card because they use the same system that PayPal uses, which is called Braintree. And PayPal is the most trusted money transaction platform in the world. So you won't have to worry about your card getting, you don't have to worry about anything happening to your card, anybody hacking or anything. Dash app has been around for a long time, and it's a very reputable app, and you can make some good money just doing everyday things. And this is available on App Store and also in the Google Play Store. So let me go to the last app. Okay, I'm at the last app. And it says here, earn points by taking location-based surveys and sharing your location. Use points towards great prizes, rewards, sweepstakes, gift cards, and more. Join millions that are getting rewarded and downloading Panel app. So that's the name of this Panel app. And let's see here. It also says here, Panel app key features, simple location-based surveys, share your location, no need to open the app daily to earn. So you don't even have to open this app and you can still earn. And refer friends and family to earn more points. So you earn points, but those points accumulate real fast and you can get paid real quick with this app. And like I said, you don't even have to open the app. And it also says here, rewards and prizes. Earn gift cards from your favorite brands, including Amazon, Starbucks, and Target. Enter a chance to win prizes like an Xbox One or PS4. So it also says here, Panel app measures device data, including apps and location, for the purpose of market research and analytics. Panel app values your privacy and allows you to opt out anytime by removing the app from your device. And let's see what else it says here. So you're going to be taking surveys and you're going to accumulate points and you redeem those points for PayPal money. And when you refer friends, you get paid also to refer friends. Now this is the rating on this app is 4.5 of 5 stars. And let me read one review here. I still like this app, but at the beginning, giving up my time, which is as valuable as the app creators, I was compensated properly and fairly. So they was compensated for doing the surveys and stuff with this app. So if you want to read some other reviews about this, just download the Panel app, and it's available on iPhone. All right, so that's all 3 apps. All right, now you know the 3 apps you can download right now and start making money just by barely doing anything. So go ahead and install those apps and start getting this money. All right. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you can check down in the description below where it says free giveaways, click on that link. It's going to take you to a website where you'll be able to download 3 free gifts. Now, before you do that, you got to make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can get these free gifts. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that little subscribe button, make that subscribe button turn colors, make it turn to gray, and hit that little bell. And then scroll down into the description below. Click on that link where it says free giveaways, and it's going to take you to their website, and go ahead and download those 3 free gifts. That's from me to you, just for watching my videos and subscribing to this channel. I also have some other cool stuff in the description below. If you're struggling to get views and subscribers to your small little YouTube channel and you want to make it grow, there's a link for that. And if you want to make passive income, money on autopilot, I have a link for that. Just click on where it says my #1 recommended method to making money on autopilot. Click on that link also right now. All right, that's all I have for this video. But before you leave, do me a favor. Hit that like button and let's get 30 likes. Because the more likes I get, the more my video will be searchable on YouTube. That means more viewers will check out my video. That means more potential subscribers. Because I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. And when I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money. I gave away some money at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna give away some more money when I reach 2,000 subscribers. So let's get there real fast. Just all you have to do is just hit that like button for me. It's real easy. Just tap it. Just tap that like button for me. Also, please drop a comment down below. Tell me what country you're from. And also, if you have a question about this video, drop that in the comment section below, because I will answer you. I don't ignore any messages down there. So please drop a comment down there if you have a question about this video. Also, these comments help me to be seen more on YouTube too. So I want everybody to drop comments. And also, please share this on all social media, everywhere around the internet, because I want to help as many people I can to become financially free. Because all you guys deserve to be financially free and to make money on autopilot. And lastly, please, if you're new or if you've just been watching my videos and have not hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, I'm done. I'm finished. I just want to say thank you, supporters, subscribers, for watching my videos every day. I hope you guys are really getting some out of my videos and really learning about all different type of ways to make money online. And I'm gonna keep doing it. As long as you guys keep watching, I'm gonna keep dropping these videos to help you guys. All right, before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Now go watch my other videos. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.